Boujee. Boujee is a slang term derived from the word bourgeoisie. It refers to someone or something luxurious, trendy, or high class, but often with a playful or ironic undertone. It's commonly used to describe extravagant lifestyles, behaviors, or tastes. Pronunciation: Boujee. Boujee. Examples: that restaurant is so boujee with its gold-plated cutlery and designer chairs. She showed up in a boujee outfit, complete with diamonds and pearls. We're having a boujee weekend at a 5-star resort. Synonyms: fancy, luxurious, posh, classy, extravagant. Thanks for watching. Have you used this word in a sentence before? Let us know below.